Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here today I'm going to show you a new app that is going to be launched in few hours. This app, as you can see, is called Bet Passion Club. It's just like 86 football investment and the others, but this one has more advantage than the rest because it pays you more, not like how 86 pays you. This one, as you can see in the right up here, you can gain more in it. I know I can't explain all here on this short video, so I'm going to leave. So there is going to be a WhatsApp group link in the description below, so please enter the group where you can get more information about. So once again, please click the link below and enter the group ASAP so they can get more information.
Boys, they say join lucky when I see Sam. Wanna bring money, abeg. Wanna bring money. Find money no be easy thing though, I swear. Wanna come join, wanna make money, wanna come join oh. Aaron, me tell them oh. Aaron gaya musu fa oh. Aaron gaya musu. Na no believe. Baba, da kuɗi ake neman kuɗi. Da kuɗi ake neman kuɗi boys. Ya wuya. Kuɗi ake neman kuɗi. Da kuɗi ake neman kuɗi. No be lie, da kuɗi ake neman kuɗi. 100,000.